Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a video on CapCut PC with a few photos or images. So import your photos or images you like to edit, and I'm going to add back before. You can change for the duration of the clip. Just click menu setting and edit and set the image duration. So add to track, right? So you can add the transition, click transition and select the phantom. This for the duration 1.0 second. Apply to all the clip. See the result, right? After done, go to effect and select effect you like to add to your clip. For example, I'm going to select the place bounce. Go, right? You can add audio, text, sticker, filter, and animation, and anything you like to your to add to your clip. So after you finish editing the video, you are just going to click the export button to export your video. Alright, that's how you can create the video on CapCut PC with a few photos or images. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.